Fix a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network message in HP Smart for the HP DeskJet 2800, 4200, and 4900 printer series. If you are setting up your printer with HP Smart for the first time and you encounter a message that states that you can only connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, follow these steps to connect to a 2.4 GHz network. The steps differ depending on the operating system for the computer or mobile device you are using. This video covers each system. iOS devices. Select a 2.4 GHz network from the list of available networks on the message screen. If a 2.4 GHz network is not available, tap Refresh List to try again. Android devices. On the message screen, tap Open Network Settings, and then look for your local 2.4 GHz network in the list. If a 2.4 GHz network is available, connect to the network. Windows or Mac computers. On the message screen, if a 2.4 GHz network is available, connect to the network. If a 2.4 GHz network is not available, enter the Wi-Fi network name exactly as it displays in the network list or on the router, and then connect to the network. If you have tried these steps for your computer or mobile device and the HP Smart app is not able to find a 2.4 GHz network, check the label on the Wi-Fi router to see if it supports a 2.4 GHz network. If you are not sure your router provides 2.4 GHz network support, or if you are not able to enable the 2.4 GHz network, contact your internet service provider.